So as you can see, the old parts of the car is dismantled, and this is where we're going to put the dashboard. Man, so now so. So we are hoping that everything will be fixed today. We also pray that this never happens again. I really don't know what caused the fire, but the dashboard has been removed. We'll be fixing this new one here. So it's your boy JojoConnect. When there's life, there's hope. That's so it be. Thank you for everyone who has called in to check on me. That's so it be. For real. So guys, we're still here in the garage. The car is still under repairs. You know, the mechanic guys, they've just gone for their lunch. I think I should also go get something to eat, don't you think? I'm tired. I've been here since morning. You know, I'm just thankful for life, for provision. You know, in this corona period, you can imagine. You know, but it's all good. I know God has a plan for it, and like they always say, as you know now, King House way born, now beauty go add boot, now so it be, you know. So I'll keep you guys posted. These mechanic guys, they've just gone for their lunch. Let me go get something to eat myself. I'll be right back. So the dashboard is getting back in shape. Yeah, everything is getting back in shape. It hasn't been easy. So guys, it's day 3 and I'm on my way now to see how far they've gone with the car. I have to look for a taxi right now to get me to the garage. So I'm on my way now. So guys, I just dropped from the taxi. I just want to walk down to the garage. So I hope the car is ready. I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted, huh? So guys, everything is done. The car is fixed, but they've just taken it to the car wash to wash now, and I'm waiting for them to bring back the car, you know. at this point, I want to thank everyone who has followed me, who has followed this vlog on the 3 days of how my car was fixed. I want to thank everyone. But right now, I'm just sitting back here and waiting for the car to be brought back from the car wash. Okay, guys, the dashboard is fixed. Everything is okay now. I just use this opportunity to pray that God protect our properties, no matter what, no matter how big or small they may look. It costs us money to get these things. And I want to thank everyone who has followed this vlog. Please subscribe to my channel. This is JojoConnect. I make videos that teach how to get various things done easy and simple. Okay, guys, this is it. Thank you for following my vlog. The car is ready now. Everything is perfect. Let me go take a test drive. Thank you, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel. It's JojoConnect. See you guys.